సామాన్యులకు అందుబాటులో ఉండేలా కార్వాన్ పర్యాటకం ఉండాలని టూరిజం కాన్క్లేవ్ నిర్వాహకులకు సీఎం చంద్రబాబు సూచించారు. శుక్రవారం విజయవాడలోని ఒక హోటల్లో జిఎఫ్ఎస్టీ టూరిజం కాన్క్లేవ్ జరిగింది. ఈ సదస్సుకు సీఎం నాయుడు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరయ్యారు.
I wanted to seek Baba Ramdev Guruji's blessings. Andhra Pradesh will be future destination for wellness and happiness. My goal is wealthy, healthy, happy Andhra Pradesh. That is the goal I have kept. I can create wealth through my economic policies. But Babaji is going to give happiness and health for everybody. That's why I'm requesting him now. I want to take his services. He's a very, very effective marketing manager of a product. If we decide, this is where I'm asking him only one thing. Just now, after hearing him, after seeing him for 3 decades, long journey, I had a very good affiliation with him. So, very, very affectionate wherever, because both of us are working for a common cause. Through politician, I am a politician. Through public policies, I want to serve the state. Being a spiritual leader, he wanted to serve the community in a big way. This is a rare combination for both of us for the last 3 decades. Now I request only one thing. I want to take his advice and guidance for promoting tourism and wellness of Andhra Pradesh in a big way. That's why, with all your cooperation, I am also asking Babaji, Baba Ramdev ji, be our advisor for tourism. You will be the best brand manager, promoter for Andhra Pradesh. I will be very happy. If you accept, we will be very happy. Then automatically tourism will happen in Andhra Pradesh in a big way. All events I can create. So many celebrities are there. True celebrity is Baba Ramdev Guruji. I am very happy. So this is the occasion I want to tell you. Everything we wanted to promote in a big way from today onwards. Long back, I gave a slogan. People are asking what is the importance of tourism. At that time, we will talk about communism, socialism, capitalism, like that people used to talk. One word I told at the time, all isms are irrelevant. Future is only for tourism. It is going to survive forever. Today, exactly that is what is happening. If you see today, we are all inspiring time. I wanted to mention that why. 3 decades back, I promoted technology. At that time, nobody used to promote technology as a politician. One example I am giving you, I wanted to meet Bill Gates. He visited Delhi. I seek his appointment. Politely refused. I asked this reason, why you are not meeting? He said, I don't have any work with politicians. I said, no, I am having some work with you. I want to meet you. Give me 10 minutes. With great difficulty, he gave me 10 minutes. All the way I went to Delhi. I prepared very well. Then I spent with him 45 minutes. I gave my presentation. In my presentation, I gave the strength of India and Indians on information technology. He said at the end of the meeting, yes, you are right. I totally believe. What can I do? Don't do anything for me. If at all you are coming from Seattle outside, come to Hyderabad, then I will give you excellent land you can promote. After that, 3-4 meetings. He started first development center in Hyderabad after Seattle. That is the biggest campus today. Fortunately, the employee of Hyderabad Microsoft Center, Nadella Satya, has become president of that company. One step forward, leapfrog developments will happen. So I wanted to now today, the power of technology. I started at that time, iTech City, synonymous with IT, and promotion of IT. Today, I am promoting Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence. That is the beauty of today's technology penetration. All of us are talking about technology. Now data is available, historical data. Global knowledge is available. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing is a reality. Real-time data can be collected through satellite, drones, IoTs, wearables, sensors, CCTV cameras. Then decision making will be taken real time, decision will be communicated real time across the cross sections. One example I am giving you in government. Now, we are providing 703 services. As on today, 500 services we are providing online. By August 15th of this year, all services will be